Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain to you Free Download Manager (FDM). FDM is the alternative of the Internet Download Manager. But the FDM Free Download Manager is free for the lifetime. But Internet Download Manager, many issue occur in the downloading and use. Come to the PC and open the Google Chrome and type the up to down for the PC or for the window. So click on the first link, and this is the main page, and click on the search and write the Free Download Manager FDM. Click on it and then scroll down and click on the get the latest version button, and then again scroll down, and you can see here click on the download button. So this is the download manager. Click on the start downloading. Downloading will start here. It will complete within a second, depend on the internet. Click on the open folder and then click on the exe file of the Free Download Manager, and then right click and click on the install for the all user, and then click on the OK button, and then click on the next button, and then click on the next button again, and you can create a desktop shortcut. Click on the next and then click on the install button. It will download within a second. So this is the downloading of the Free Download Manager. How to enable the extension of the Free Download Manager with Google Chrome. Come to the PC again. So after the downloading, open the Google Chrome. For the extension, you have successfully installed FDM. You can see here. For the extension, write the Free Download Manager extension and click on the first link, and then you can see here click on the add to Google Chrome button, and then click on the add extension. Click on it. So you can see here Free Download Manager has been added to Chrome. So for the checking, click on the three dots and then click on the extension, then manage extension, click on it, and you can see here Free Download Manager extension is enabled on the Google Chrome. Open the Google Chrome and then click on the YouTube, or write the YouTube, or type the youtube.com and click on the one video, and then right click on a video and copy the video URL, and then minimize, and then type the Free Download Manager in the search box, or right click on the Free Download Manager icon and then open it. This is the main page of the Free Download Manager. Click on the add downloaded button and paste here the video URL, and then click on the OK button. So you can see here YouTube download are not available. So in short, if you have any question about the Free Download Manager, write your question in the comments box. Thanks for watching.